Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Portable fan heater. Right. So it's not that big. It's a good desktop fan. I believe this is the black one. It is the black one. There's the heater, the manual here. It means a heater, so just plug it in, right? There's a failsafe, it tips and falls, and not gonna run. And it rotates. Can hang it maybe if you want. So, right? Right here. And different types of modes here on top. A power button on the back. Yep, that's it. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.